Welcome to Pear Tree Ranchin. Today we're going for a trail ride. We're still in California. We finished our horsemanship camp and we finished our cow working. I've got my trusty steed Luna. That belongs to Aaron. Lets me use when I'm here. And the group that participated in all 5 days altogether, we do an extra day of trail riding altogether, which is a fun little way to end the week. So we're gonna get mounted up, start riding up this mountain, and enjoy the view. Okay, we had a great trail ride. Kisses for Luna. Helping me all week. You're a good girl. So, another super clinic, another super event. From here, I get to head back to Michigan, pick up the Jeep, drive over to Chicago to see Steffi, Johnny, and the family, and then head down to Florida. We got a nice full month of training horses at the ranch. So, if you guys enjoy what we're doing, make sure you hit that like button. Helps us out. If you want to get subscribed, you can click here. And for another video, you can click here. See you next time.